I would really like some fruit. Hello, Altair. What would you like to eat? I'd like orange. Okie dokie. That's a very healthy choice. Here you go. I don't like apples. I wanted an orange. Uh-oh. What about this one? I don't like cherries. I ordered an orange, Rubble. Oh. Do you like this then? Rubble, I don't like pineapple. Give me an orange. And do you like this? Yes. I like an orange. It's so sweet and juicy. Yum, 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 yum. Let's see what our next guest would like to eat. What a lovely place to eat some fruit. Hi, Snow White. Can I take your order, please? I would like a pineapple, please. The sweetest one you have. At your service, milady. Okie dokie. Here you go. I don't like pears. This isn't what I ordered. Uh-oh. Do you like this then? A kiwi? I don't want a kiwi. I want a pineapple. Uh-oh. And do you like this? I don't want strawberries. Now bring me my pineapple, please. Uh-oh. And do you like this? Yes, yes. Oh, I love to eat pineapple. It's so sweet. I love it. Yum, 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 yum. Now let's see how we can help our next customer. I really would like to eat some delicious fruit. I heard this place is really good. Hello, kitty. How are you today? Is there anything I can get you? I would really like to eat a juicy pear. Can you get me one? Of course I can. A delicious pear is coming up. Okie dokie. Here you go. But Rubble, this is a pomegranate. I wanted a pear, not a pomegranate. Uh-oh. Do you like this then? These raspberries look very tasty, but it's not what I ordered. Uh-oh. And do you like this? I don't like watermelon. I like to eat a pear. Uh-oh. And do you like this? Thank you, Rubble. That's a very tasty pear. Oh, it's so delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Now let's see how we can help our next customer. Hey, there's nothing more tasty and healthy than some nice fruit. Hi there, Katie. How are you doing today? What would you like to eat? I would like a very big plate filled with strawberries. Okie dokie. A plate with strawberries is coming up. Here you go. Oh no, this is not what I wanted. This is a banana, and I wanted strawberries. Uh-oh. Do you like this then? Rubble, this is not a strawberry. This is an apple. I don't like apples. Uh-oh. And do you like this? I don't like pineapple. I just want to eat a big plate of strawberries. Uh-oh. And do you like this? Yes, this is what I like. Oh, a big plate filled with strawberries. And they're so tasty. Yum, yum, yum. Oh. Now let's see how we can help our next customer. I have been saving the world, and now it's time for a healthy snack. Hello, Superman. Thank you for saving the world again. What can I get you? I would like to eat a very big watermelon. They're so juicy on the inside. Okie dokie. One big watermelon for a big man. Coming up. Here you go. This is not a big watermelon. This is a small orange. Uh-oh. Do you like this then? Rubble, these raspberries are tasty, but they're not big enough. I want my watermelon. Uh-oh. And do you like this? Rubble, are you kidding me? This is a kiwi, not a watermelon. Uh-oh. And do you like this? Finally, thank you, Rubble. This watermelon is just what I needed. It's big, it's juicy, and very tasty. Nom, 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 nom. Okay, I'm done cooking for today. I hope to see you next time here in Joytown. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!